What if your emails suddenly stopped reaching their destination, frustrating you and your customers alike? Many people encounter the SMTP error 451, a perplexing issue affecting email communications. Understanding email protocols like SMTP is essential for maintaining secure and efficient email delivery. This error often indicates a temporary rejection, signaling something went awry during the sending process. Specifically, error code the 4th of July 2024 relates to DMARC policy failures, which indicate failed authentication checks. So, what is DMARC, and why is it becoming more crucial in today's digital landscape? DMARC enables legitimate emails to reach inboxes, helping to combat rising email-based fraud and phishing attempts. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving, using vulnerable email systems to impersonate businesses and trick users. Without DMARC, spoofing attacks could easily deceive your customers, risking your reputation and their sensitive information. Let's dive deeper into DMARC to understand its key role in maintaining email security for businesses. DMARC works alongside existing technologies like SPF and DKIM to authenticate email senders more effectively. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, serves as an authorization list for sending servers for your domain. When emails are received, SPF checks whether the sending server is permitted to send on your behalf. However, SPF alone may fail under certain conditions, requiring DKIM to enhance email integrity. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, acts as a digital signature, verifying that messages remain unchanged during transit. The synergy between DMARC, SPF, and DKIM is vital, ensuring only legitimate emails make it to inboxes. To align these protocols effectively, the from domain must match the domains used in SPF and DKIM. Nonetheless, mistakes can occur, resulting in DMARC failures that lead to emails being rejected or marked as spam. Common causes stem from misconfigured DMARC records, contributing to the dreaded SMTP error 451. Syntax errors, invalid reporting email addresses, and even missing DMARC records can create deliverability nightmares. SPF misalignment often occurs due to sending from unauthorized servers or exceeding the DNS lookup limit. On the other hand, DKIM issues can arise from missing keys or improper domain settings during email setup. Moreover, email forwarding can complicate matters, breaking SPF authentication and causing further compliance issues. Third-party email service providers can sometimes fail to configure their settings correctly, leading to DMARC issues. To identify the source of SMTP error 451, it's crucial to troubleshoot across DMARC, SPF, and DKIM. Start by verifying your DMARC policy. Use DNS tools to check for correct syntax and settings. Next, ensure all authorized IPs are included in your SPF record without exceeding the lookup limits. Lastly, confirm that your DKIM signature is properly applied and aligns with your sender's domain. Address potential issues from forwarding services or mailing lists that may disrupt your email integrity. As you rectify these problems, gradually tighten your DMARC policy to enhance security without rejecting legitimate emails. Tools like warme.io simplify the email authentication process, protecting against common failures like SMTP error 451. Don't let your email communications suffer due to avoidable mistakes. Invest in solid email authentication today.